YouTube, W&J's Handy Dad here, and today I'm going to show you how to get your carpets clean. So, like I said in the prior video, we took a trip to the river for 4th of July, and looks like we brought back some random goo. So a lot of you probably just vacuum your carpets and be done, and that certainly works to get the bulk of the dirt out. So you see, I'm going to go ahead and vacuum all this up, but then I'll show you what it looks like after that. I want to get that up, and that's going to require shampooing. So there's a couple ways you can shampoo. If you have what we call a hot water extractor, aka carpet shampooer, obviously you can hook that up and that'll do a pretty good job. If you don't have access to that, but you do have a wet dry vac, what you can do, which works really well, is get some laundry soap in a bucket and using a scrub brush apply the foamy part to the carpet, and then use your wet dry vac to vac it up. So there's various ways that you can shampoo your carpet. One is to get a product in a can like this and literally just spray it on and then wipe it up. And that's obviously going to give you the least effective job. Number two, you can spray it on and then vacuum it up with a wet dry vac. It's going to give you a little bit better results. And so that would look something like this. I would consider that as being basically the minimum level of shampooing that you'd want to do. It's going to give you the least deep clean, but it's going to take the least amount of time both to perform and as well to dry. But if you're needing a deeper level of clean, obviously that's not going to work. So the next option would be to use something like this Bissell here. Obviously they sell these in all sorts of sizes and price ranges, and just pick whatever you like. They all seem to have pretty similar suction from what I've heard from other people, and all the ones I've owned have all been pretty much similar as far as cleaning carpets. So the process is pretty straightforward. They spray clean and sometimes warm water with whatever soapy mix you want to add to it, and then they extract it. It's not a super powerful suction, so it does leave some water behind, and obviously it doesn't get as deep as something like a shop vac. The deepest clean obviously is going to be the shop vac. So what you can do, number one, you can spray cleaner from the Bissell and then suck it up with the shop vac. Obviously that's going to get a little deeper. Or you can take a bucket, add some soapy water. I typically will use laundry soap when doing this, and then just get a scrub brush, dip it in the soapy water, or try to not saturate your carpets, and just scrub it on and then vacuum it up with the wet dry vac. So the pros to that are obviously the deepest clean. The potential cons are it may leave your carpet wetter and leave it subject to mildewing if it's not the type of weather that's going to dry quickly. Number two, because this is such a powerful suction, it can suck up things from below the carpet. For example, if you have light colored carpet and dark padding underneath it, it could suck that black dye from up and change the color of your carpet permanently. So always best to test these in an inconspicuous spot, but if you've cleaned your carpets a number of times over the years like I have, you get to know which carpets are amenable to being cleaned like this. So to get a stain up like this, you take your soapy water, and you see I've already Remove the trim piece so we can really get in here. Just scrub it with your upholstery brush. Just repeat for the rest of your carpet. And one last way you can apply it, obviously, is just put it in a spray bottle and spray as you're vacuuming. When your carpet is dry to the touch, I recommend spraying it down with some Scotch Guard or equivalent. It just kind of helps keep the stains from setting in if you do spill something. You definitely want to spray it in a well-ventilated area though, because it does smell bad. So hopefully between all those methods, one of those will work for you. Or maybe somebody out there has an idea even better than what I've shown you. If so, leave it in the comments. In any event, if this video was helpful, I appreciate a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and please tell your friends about my channel. Thank you very much.